Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 15 and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset, and here let's tap on Reset Phone. Right there we've got the option Reset All Settings, so let's tap on it and confirm everything with your screen lock. Tap on Reset, and here we've got the information that all settings will be reset and this operation cannot be undone, so be aware about that and tap on Reset. And now all we have to do is to simply wait until the settings will be reset to their defaults. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.